Hello and welcome back to English with SMG. I am so happy you are here today. This channel is for English learners like you. Today, we have a very fun story. The topic is kitchen vocabulary. You will learn the names of kitchen tools. You will learn kitchen actions, and you will learn useful English phrases. Don't worry, the English in this video is slow, it is clear, and it is easy. Just relax, listen, and enjoy the story. Ready? Let's begin. Before we begin, here is today's question. What does Sam accidentally put into the soup, and why does Emma laugh? Listen carefully to the story. You will find the answer. Write your answer in the comments below. Now, let's start the story. Today's story is about two friends. Their names are Sam and Emma. Sam and Emma are university students. They live in a small apartment. Today is Saturday. They have no school today. They decide to cook lunch at home. Emma loves cooking, but Sam is not a good cook. He doesn't know many kitchen words, but he wants to learn. Let's go to the kitchen and listen.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Sam. Come into the kitchen.
Okay, wow, there are many things on the counter.
Yes, I want to make soup today. Vegetable soup.
That sounds delicious. Can I help?
Yes, of course. But first, do you know these things?
Some of them, not all of them.
No problem. I will teach you. Let's start. Okay, Sam, look at this. What is this?
It is a big knife?
Yes, it is a knife. We use it to cut vegetables.
I see. And what is this flat thing?
That is a cutting board. We put vegetables on the cutting board, then we cut them.
Oh, a cutting board. I understand.
Good. Now look at this big metal thing.
Is it a pot?
Yes, very good, Sam. It is a pot. We put water and vegetables inside, then we put the pot on the stove.
What is the stove?
The stove is this machine. It makes heat. We cook food on the stove.
Ah, yes. We have a stove at my parents' house, too.
And do you see this flat black pan?
Yes. What is that?
That is a frying pan. We use it to fry things, like eggs or meat.
I use a frying pan every morning for my eggs.
See? You already know some things. Okay, let's start cooking. Can you wash the vegetables, please?
Sure. Where do I wash them?
In the sink. It is next to the counter. Turn on the tap.
The tap? What is the tap?
The tap is the small handle above the sink. You turn it and water comes out.
Oh, I know that. I just didn't know the word. Okay, I am turning on the tap now. Done. The vegetables are clean.
Perfect. Now put the vegetables on the cutting board.
Okay, done.
Good. Now I will cut the vegetables. Watch carefully.
You are very fast with the knife, Emma.
Thank you. My mother taught me. Okay, now we put everything into the pot. Can you use this measuring cup?
A measuring cup? What does that mean?
A measuring cup is a special cup with numbers on the side. We use it to measure water or liquid.
Oh, I see it. It says 500 milliliters, 1,000 milliliters. Okay, 1 liter. Done.
Great. Now I will put the pot on the stove. Can you open the cupboard and find the salt?
The cupboard. Is that the door on the wall?
Yes, the cupboard is like a small cabinet on the wall. We keep food and spices inside.
Okay. I see many things in here. There is pepper and something white. Is this the salt?
Yes, and can you also find the ladle?
The ladle. I have no idea what that is.
A ladle is a big spoon. It has a long handle. We use it to stir soup or to put soup into a bowl.
Oh, I see it. Here you go.
Thank you. Now, Sam, can you please add 1 teaspoon of salt?
A teaspoon. Is that the small spoon?
Yes, the small one, not the big spoon. That is a tablespoon.
Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt. Here. Oh no,
What? What happened?
I think I used the sugar.
What?
I'm sorry. They both look white. They were next to each other.
Oh, Sam, sugar in the soup? That is so funny.
I didn't read the label. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. We can start again. But remember, always read the label on the jar.
Yes, always read the label. I will never forget.
Okay, new pot, clean water. Let's try again.
This time I will be very careful.
Good. Now turn on the stove. Use the medium heat.
What does medium heat mean?
Not too hot, not too cold. In the middle. You see the dial? Turn it to the middle.
Okay, done. The stove is on.
Now we wait for the water to boil.
What does boil mean?
Boil means the water gets very hot. You will see bubbles. When the water boils, it is ready.
I see. We wait for the bubbles.
Exactly. While we wait, can you get 2 bowls from the shelf?
The shelf, the flat board on the wall?
Yes, we put plates and bowls there.
Got it. 2 bowls. Here you go.
And 2 spoons from the drawer, please.
The drawer. Is that the thing I pull open?
Yes, you pull it open. Inside, you find cutlery, knives, forks, and spoons.
Here are the spoons.
Look, the water is boiling. Now we add the vegetables.
Into the pot?
Yes, carefully. It is very hot. Use the ladle.
Okay. Done. Everything is in.
Now we put the lid on the pot.
Lid. What is the lid?
The lid is the cover for the pot. It goes on top. It keeps the heat inside.
Oh, I know this word. The lid. Got it.
Sam, the soup is ready.
Really? That smells amazing.
Can you use the ladle to put the soup in the bowls?
Yes, I know what a ladle is now. Here and here. Done.
Let's sit at the table.
This is delicious, Emma. Really.
Thank you. And you helped.
Yes, but I also almost ruined it with sugar.
But you learned a lot today. Can you remember the new words?
Let me try. Counter, knife, cutting board, pot, stove, frying pan, sink, tap, measuring cup, cupboard, ladle, teaspoon, tablespoon, boil, shelf, drawer, cutlery, lid.
Wow, that is very good, Sam.
And always read the label.
Yes, always read the label. The most important lesson today.
That was a great story. Sam and Emma cooked vegetable soup together, and Sam learned many new kitchen words. Now let's go back to today's question. The question was, what does Sam accidentally put into the soup, and why does Emma laugh? Did you get the right answer? Write your answer in the comments below. I would love to read your answers. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the story. I hope you learned many new kitchen words. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other English learners find this channel. And don't forget to subscribe to English with SMG. See you in the next video. Keep practicing your English. You are doing great.